We will now outline the heating cycle of a heat pump when it is used to heat a home. Recall that this cycle is very similar to the refrigeration cycle, but it uses a reversing valve to switch the flow of the refrigerant. In the compressor, we increase the pressure on the refrigerant, which starts as a gas. Recall an increase in pressure on a gas also increases the temperature. So as the refrigerant is compressed, its temperature increases. The refrigerant leaving the compressor is a high-temperature, high-pressure gas. Recall the reversing valve controls the direction of the flow of refrigerant. Refrigerant enters the reversing valve after leaving the compressor. After this, if the refrigerant enters the condenser, the heat pump acts as an air conditioner. If the refrigerant instead flows into the evaporator, the heat pump acts as a heater. Hot, compressed refrigerant leaves the compressor and enters the indoor coils of the evaporator when we use heat pumps as heaters. The air from your home passes over these coils and absorbs their heat, thereby heating your home. After the refrigerant gas gives up its heat to the air in your home, it cools down and becomes liquid. Next, the liquid refrigerant passes through the metering device. This reduces the pressure of the refrigerant, cooling it down further. The refrigerant leaves the expansion valve as a low-temperature, low-pressure liquid. The cool refrigerant then enters the outdoor coils of the condenser. Here, the liquid refrigerant absorbs heat from the warmer air outside and once again becomes a gas. This low-pressure, high-temperature gas is sent to the compressor, and the cycle repeats.